Earnings Network is planning to raise $63 million in their IPO, but when you take a look at this company, you might not want to invest in it. Why? Well, they're a company that helps electric utility companies move to a smart grid. Now, they say there's demand for a smart grid, but that may not be the case. Francis, you had some really excellent points about this company, and one is that they've been around for 10 years. They have been hemorrhaging money that they could either go public or go bankrupt. So let's talk about that.
Right. They've been on the calendar for a long time, and they're trying to do it now. The question is it worth $754 million at the midpoint of the price range? And the answer is absolutely not. Their sales were down 17% in 2012 because the stimulus program went away from 2011. They lost 46% of the revenue, that's $90 million of cash. They'll have a negative book value post-IPO. The 4 customers account for 65% of the revenue. And the demand just doesn't seem to be there. I mean, I don't know about you, but I don't want the utility telling me when to turn off the air conditioning and turn off the heating. So they only have 16 million customers, and they've been in business for so long.
But it could be helpful. I mean, if you lose power, wouldn't it be great if the electric company could get your power up back on quicker?
Well, if that's what it is, but then there's also, at least here in California, they'd like to cut down your power usage during the summer months, which means cut off the air conditioning. They do have a backlog of $750 million, but there's an awful lot of competition, and between the backlog being there and showing up in the revenues, I'm not so certain. There's a slip between the cup and the lip. So the only positive thing about this is the backlog. The negative is those things that I went over. So the other thing is on the IPO, they're only selling 8%, which is like Groupon, it's like a Zynga. They're trying to sell a small percentage to gin up the demand. They really need a lot of money. So if it were any good, they'd be raising more money in the IPO. So I wouldn't buy this one.
All right. Well, it sounds like we've had a couple of weeks of pretty poor, dismal IPO offerings. Hopefully, as we get further into March, we'll get some better IPOs. Thank you, Francis Gaskins, and I'm Debra Borchardt with TheStreet.